Hi everyone, this is Nick with Motoloader, and this is V2 of the Motoloader design. This is an all-metal platform. In this case, I have it adapted and set up for overlanding. Got a rooftop tent on it, had a bunch of gear, just drove it across the country. It did really well. So all new metal design on the platform. This leading edge structure for the tailgate has also been redesigned, and I'm continuing to make some tweaks to it before the final version is ready. And a couple of changes to the bed mounts for guiding the platform into place. Also, the front end of the platform has been updated, made some additional tweaks to that. It's working a lot better in terms of going up into the bed. So yeah, really happy with this. I'm probably gonna make one more round of changes, and then we'll hope to have this up and available online at motoloader.com.